Welcome back to BTV Vision. I'm Maya, and today we are breaking the ultimate financial law. For decades, your parents told you, buy land, Maya, they aren't making any more of it. Well, they aren't making any more Bitcoin either, and one of these is about to absolutely crush the other over the next 10 years. Are you team boomer bricks or team digital gold? Drop your bet in the comments right now, because by the end of this video, half of you might want to sell your house. Let's start with the undisputed heavyweight champion of history. Real estate. Total global value, over $300 trillion. It's safe, it's tangible, and you can live in it. Lovely. But let's be honest for a second. Have you tried buying an apartment lately? You need a mountain of debt, a kidney as down payment, and you get to deal with leaky pipes, property taxes, and tenants who think rent is just a polite suggestion. Over the next decade, real estate faces a massive crisis. Rising maintenance costs, climate risks, and a younger generation that prefers flexibility over being tied down to a 30-year mortgage. Real estate will stay safe, sure, but it's becoming a slow, expensive game. Enter Bitcoin, the financial rebel that just won't die, no matter how many times the mainstream media deletes it. Why is the next decade going to be wild? Because of pure math. Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins. That's it. Meanwhile, governments are printing fiat currency like it's monopoly money, destroying your purchasing power. Bitcoin is global, liquid, and requires zero maintenance. You don't need to paint a Bitcoin. You don't need to fix its roof. You can move $10 million across the world in minutes for pennies. With institutional giants, ETFs, and even nation-states treating it as a strategic reserve asset, Bitcoin isn't a tech experiment anymore. It's the fastest-growing predator in the financial jungle. So what happens by 2036? Real estate isn't going to zero. We still need places to sleep, but as a wealth-building machine, it's losing its crown. Capital seeks efficiency, real estate is heavy, illiquid, and heavily taxed. Bitcoin is light, borderless, and mathematically scarce. If you want to preserve what you have, sure, buy a house. But if you want to aggressively outrun inflation and capture the largest wealth transfer in human history over the next 10 years, the digital asset wins by a landslide. But hey, maybe you love fixing toilets at 3 a.m. I don't judge. Which asset are you betting your future on for the next decade? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the game, do yourself a huge favor. Smash that like button right under this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. We have a massive lineup of videos coming your way, packed with everything you need to master Bitcoin and crypto, conquer the financial markets, dominate the world of finance, and level up your personal growth. Let's build that wealth and mindset together. I'm Maya, this is BTV Vision, and I'll see you in the next video.